Wodolai Ming Sushi means my name is. So ni hao also means hello. This is used for greetings. So wo lai zi means my age is. So after that is you say your address, which is Wodenian Jishi means I am from.